Hey, what is up guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and I'm here with the Xiaomi Black Shark Hello, or Helio. So, shout out to Mill Hustles, because I know Mill Hustles would definitely like to get his hands on some Xiaomi devices. So here you go, buddy. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see from any of my other videos. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Just take a quick look at this Xiaomi phone while it's around. So let's do it. Alrighty guys, so here we are with the Xiaomi Black Shark right here, powered by Qualcomm, obviously, because I am at the Qualcomm booth. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform. Has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which is always awesome to have in any device. You got your Qualcomm aptX HD audio. So let's go ahead and just kind of jump right into this phone and take a gander at the Xiaomi product. Let me tell you guys, this thing is hefty. It feels like it's like some type of gaming phone, because it does have like a metallic back. You just have your dual camera setup on the back, fingerprint right there, and you do have your flash right there up top. Kind of has like a weird little configuration, but this back is like glass, and then this side and everything like this is very, very heavy, robust metal. So as you guys can see right there, Qualcomm call out right there. That is not the right time. And look at this black and green kind of display and everything, or wallpaper. Looks really dope, really cool. I like the whole theme of this thing and everything. And looks like, yeah, it definitely looks like some type of gaming platform, gaming device. This phone would be awesome, man. If you really want to get into some gaming on phones and everything like that, yeah, this looks like for you. It says settings, light settings, other settings, permissions, applications, dual app. So let's just kind of take a look, see what we can see here. Game dock. Okay, you can dock this thing. Looks like game list, anti-addiction, game lab. Okay, theme and wallpaper, display and brightness. Nice. So other settings, permissions, dual app. I want to try to look at what's this app lock about. I don't know. So other settings right quick. Advanced settings. Let's take a look right here. I'm trying to find storage. Okay, storage right there. Literally storage is right there. So it looks like you got total memory. Okay, so you got 8 gigabytes of RAM right there, and it looks like 6 of them are free. Wow, 8 gigs. Holy crap. You got 128 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, this phone, man, this phone is probably some type of beast mode phone. Let's see if we can play a game or whatever real quick. I don't know. I don't even see Android, the Google Play Store on here, so maybe this is not meant for that. But looks like I can't play it, huh? So let's see if I can play anything on here. Let's probably retry. So no, it doesn't look like I could actually play any games on here. That kind of stinks, but let's go ahead and take a look at the camera, I guess. Why not? One thing I would say, that at CES they should have like a nice picture or something to like look at while you're actually doing this, because it's really hard to get a nice sense of the cameras when you're just chilling here or whatever. But there's a front camera, you know what I'm saying? I guess pretty good. But obviously the call out feature for this phone is going to be that 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. So, and the heaviness and the heftiness of this phone, it just feels like a beast mode. It feels like it would be a beast when it's gaming, but unfortunately I can't really tell you if it is or not, but I'm pretty sure it probably is. Anyways guys, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you did enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.